this document, if we will go with the decomposition, means breaking the difficult part into simplest forms. So first of all, we will try to split this complicated statement into 3, 4 or 5 separate parts so that it will be easy for person to understand the things. So this way I have just splitted it, explain and calculate the heating effect first of all till the time the important keyword is heating effect. So it is very important for everyone to understand what is the meaning of heating effect. We know that heating, heat means we are relating that heating term with the warmth. First of all, the clarity of this term should be clear. Next part of the statement is electric current. This is the important electric current. We know that the current is here, that's why we are having such like a current, and we can see the appliances are running. So what is actually electric current? This is the second important keyword which is very important. The third is working of appliances like heater, iron and fuse. We know we are using it in our daily lives, but how we can correlate all these things and we can make this complicated statement into a simpler way for the students. So the very first step that we will follow is the decomposition, means breaking a problem into parts or steps. Second point, that is pattern recognition. Now if I am not being a teacher, if I will not clear my own concepts, then how I need to take the class, then how my students will be able to understand. So the thing is, second point, pattern recognition. I must know what things I need to prepare beforehand so that concept should be clear in my mind. So the thing is, I will make the flow chart. I will not make the flow chart. I'll break it into trees and sub parts like branches. So the thing which I will do, that is heating effect. This is my main objective. And after that, what are the different things that I need to explain to my students? It should be clear in my mind. Like current, in current definition, like what, where, when, why, how. Every aspect, what, where, when, why, how means knowledge, understanding, application, evaluate and create. Everything should need to be covered when I am going and when I am any other keyword. So here I will explain units and all things like formula. Resistance as well. In series and parallel, students should know that the appliances as well. I just taken the example of these three common, and there would be many. So this is, I have recognition, I have recognition the pattern and the trend which I will follow. Next, third is algorithm. This is the rough idea I have. Before giving this question to my students, at least they should know these things. And after that, I cannot explain. I cannot go in a random way. Chalo, let's be well structured. It should be well